Oh, I love it so much. The skirt is so comfortable and you can twist it, like you can wear it like this or sideways. You can put a split sideways with a little fringe here or back to front, even if you want with the fringe at the front and like the waves at the back. Ooh, I love it. And the bralette is so cute as well, so comfortable. Just put it on top of any other little black bikini if you want. Here you can also make this top using the macrame board. You see, when you put it out flat, it's really just flat. So you start with your this cord that goes around your neck. Measure where you want your breast to start and make sure you pin these lines straight. So once you pin your rope here, then remember you measure the distance between these two. Make sure that the distance is the same, and then you pin. You don't have this here. You pin in the middle, and you attach your working cords here. And after that, you start working this way and then this way while having on the pins here, and just carry on the same way, making sure it's the same distance. And then this is one more to the back. And once you finish, all you're going to do is just attach your extra rope using the large cardinal. Okay. And here is your beautiful bralette. You have done your VIITTA masterclass and you have hopefully created this beautiful set, the Maya skirt and the top. You saw that in terms of the back, you could either tie, two things at the back like this. You could tie it as one. You could attach spring rings here. I just used a wrapping knot to attach the spring rings. It's up to you how you do the back, whether you want to tie it together like a corset. You can attach this extra rope in the middle to kind of push it together, but before you saw when it was open, it also looks quite cool. You can also attach one of these ropes to go down here and then around the waist area. So it's up to you how you design, add, and take things away. And I hope you enjoyed your class, and I hope you enjoyed your macrame journey, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.